morning, everybody. I wanted to share with you the fiddle leaf tree that I rooted. So I took one leaf and look at how full of roots it is here. It's full of roots here, healthy roots, and I'm going to put it in this pot and we will see what will happen, because I understood there's no video that proves that this leaf will not make a plant. So I want to experiment and see if it's true, because I will be making videos of cuttings of any plant which will give you a new plant. So let's see what happens. So this will go in here like so, and then I will just put the soil around it. So I planted it in soil and we'll see what happens. And I will give you an update, let's say in 2 weeks or a month. By a month, it should have grown something or somewhere. If not, well, we'll prove it and see. So we have an update after quite a few months. I think it's more than 3 months. So yeah, so there's no plant coming out of this leaf. So the fiddle leaf tree does not give you a new plant. The leaf does not give you a new plant. Not at all. So it's been quite a long time. So it should have done something. Yeah, so I wanted to take it out to check if anything, but I'm gonna make a mess. And as you can see right there, there is no sign of a plant at all, right? Nothing at all, no plant. And I've been watering it and everything, taking care of it, but this week, no, I have not watered it. So that's why you see it a little dry. There is the saying that you might get a plant out of the fiddle leaf tree from the leaf. No, you will not get one. I planted another leaf in the same time, which is, it's called a Peperomia fecunifolia or something like that. And at the same time, and you can see it took a while, but there's a plant right there. Actually, there's probably 3 plants. 3 plants growing in there. Okay, moving towards the light. As you see, it's all bent over one side, but the other one still no sign, the leaf. So this one took a while too, but yeah, so we do get a plant out of this from the leaf, but not the fiddle leaf. I will make a separate video on all the plants that you will get a plant from a cutting or from just a leaf. So this is an update after more than 3 months on this fiddle leaf. If you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share my videos. Comment below, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.